Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you are new here, hi, I'm happy you found me. Today we are making an easy and delicious meal, pork fajitas. First, slice half of an onion. Slice about one medium bell pepper. I love using different colors for fajitas, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand. This is also a simple way to remove the stem and seeds without wasting the top of the pepper. Okay, now slice 4 button mushrooms. Next, slice half of an avocado. This method keeps everything clean and mess-free. Once you slice inside the skin, just take a large spoon and scoop it out and you will have perfect slices without the mess. Then, take a handful of cherry tomatoes or 1 tomato and slice or dice them, depending on what you are using. To the pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil since we are cooking a lot of vegetables. Once the oil has heated and thinned out, move it around the pan to coat the bottom, then add all the veggies. I am keeping it simple and seasoning only with salt and pepper. Sauté everything for about 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now onto the pork. Cook for 5 minutes on each side. These are also seasoned with salt and pepper on each side. Once these have cooked for 5 minutes on each side, slice the pork into thin strips. Then, it's time to build your fajitas. Lay everything out and let everyone create their own. You can add cheese, salsa, guacamole, or anything else you love. This is such an easy and fun family meal, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I really hope you enjoyed this easy pork fajita recipe and maybe even try it for your next family dinner. If you like simple meals like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new recipe. I truly appreciate you being here with me, and I hope you have an amazing day or night wherever you are watching from. I will see you in the next one.